decided to share with you this very cute birdhouse. And if you guys follow my channel and watch my videos, you might have seen that I have recently posted a tutorial on how I've decorated one of these birdhouses, and it looks completely different. It's green and brown, is much darker colors, and I actually had to go back and buy another one because I just absolutely loved doing that little birdhouse. I had so much fun, and I decided to do an entire different sort of color scheme on this one. This is more my kind of colors. I just really love shabby chic. You guys might already know that anyway, but I decided to go for a pink house with white roof and white, I guess this would be the floor. And so I've done exactly the same techniques as I have done on my other one. So I've painted the entire house. It came in as sort of like a natural wood color, so it didn't have any paint or varnish or anything on it. So I painted the entire thing pink, which actually turned out to be a mistake, because when I was trying to paint the roof, my goodness, it took me ages to actually cover the pink color, because maybe it's just my paint and the paint is not very good, I don't know what it is, but it just wasn't covering. I kept painting it over and over again, drying it and then painting it again, and it took me ages to do it. But anyway, it turned out quite cool. I really like it. I've used some distress embossing powder on the roof and all over the little house as well. I hope you guys can see that. I've used two different colors. This is like, I don't remember the name. I'll put the name on the screen for the colors. So this is a lighter sort of yellowish color, and then this one is a brown color. So I've sort of just place them in random areas, so little corners here and all the way around, and then I just glued a whole bunch of flowers, which are absolutely gorgeous, and most of these are from Wild Orchid Craft Flowers, and a couple of the little ones, like the pink ones, I already had in my stash. I added this cute little bird, and this one I've put him sitting here on the little corner. And to hang it, they originally came with this rope thing, and that's quite ugly, so I actually added this pretty ribbon, and basically that's it. I've just absolutely loved doing these, and when I went back to buy another one, I actually bought two, so I have another one to alter, but I don't know if I'm going to be doing that one just yet. I'm a little bit uninspired to do a third one, so I'll leave that one for now and see how it goes. So that's it for me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think. I love to receive comments, so if you have any questions or if you just want to tell me what you think, I would really love to hear that. So thanks everybody for watching. I will catch you next time. Bye!